Good morning everyone. My name is Varun Gupta, Assistant Professor, KIET Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we will see what is zero order hold and its characteristics. What is zero order hold? Zero order hold is represented as pulse having width T and amplitude 1, and it is denoted by G. So how it can be represented in unit step sequence ut minus ut minus capital T into 1. If we take Laplace transform of gt, we get 1 upon s minus, using delay property of Laplace, e की power minus ts upon s. Now gs is equal to 1 minus e की power minus ts upon s. This is the transfer function of zero order hold. How we can interpret the zero order hold characteristic? So using Bode plot, we can interpret phase as well as amplitude, means magnitude characteristic of the zero order hold. So for this we can put s equal to j omega, one minus e की power minus t j omega upon j omega. Now, how we can calculate magnitude and phase? We use, if any sequence is given 1 minus e की power minus x, so we can write 1 minus e की power minus x by 2 into e की power minus x by 2. Now, if we take common e की power minus x by 2, we get e की power x by 2 minus e की power minus x by 2. So using this property we can get magnitude. So now 1 minus e की power minus t j omega by 2 into e की power minus t j omega by 2 upon j omega. Now we can take common e की power minus t j omega by 2, e की power j omega t by 2 minus e की power minus j omega t by 2 upon j omega. Okay? Now j omega of zero order hold is e की power minus j omega t by 2 into twice of 2j sin omega t by 2 upon j omega. Can we convert it into sinc function? Yes. E की power minus j omega t by 2 into sin omega t by 2 upon omega t by 2, if we multiply by t in denominator and numerator, omega t by 2. Okay, so now we can cancel out the j and we get magnitude is equal to sinc function omega t by 2 into magnitude t, and phase phi is equal to minus omega t by 2. So these are the characteristic of zero order hold. And if we draw zero order hold, then we can represent it as the magnitude. If we take mode, then we get this is the mode of magnitude, and this is simple m. Okay, and the purpose of zero order hold is to convert digital into analog. Actually, this is a DAC, digital to analog converter. So the characteristic of zero order hold is like a Sines function. It satisfies the low pass filter characteristic. So this is a data reconstruction device, data reconstruction process. So by which we can obtain the analog signal. Okay, thank you.